Day 1, North Carolina. Me and Jordan are about ready to head to our stands. We sat here 4 or 5 times during bow hunting and saw deer every day. And me and Jordan are shooting. Well, I'm shooting. I don't know what Jordan. Hopefully some bucks come out if there was anything around. We actually saw quite a few deer last night. Just riding back from the stand, saw a couple of decent bucks. So hopefully luck's on our side. We'll put a couple down this morning.
Quite a few years. We probably go out camping. Definitely, he ain't the buck I saw. I saw a buck coming in here on the four-wheeler, which is probably a 4 or 5 pointer, but yeah, he'd do it for me. I've been looking for a buck, so first one. I think there's a little bit of blood on the corn pile, which is probably ain't good, but hey, we got him.
Alright, so it's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. We're going back down to the corn pile where I just shot that buck. Made a pretty good shot. So hopefully there's good blood down here and we find him right off. That's too bad, buddy.
No, must be just coming out of his mouth.
Alright, so it's first day here in North Carolina. I shot him he ran about 30 yards, 25 yards. A little spike horn. I was joking about shooting one, but it was the first one that came out, and I guess I really couldn't help myself. So if another one walks out, probably in big trouble too. But yeah, I'm happy with him. First day, good start of the trip. Chubby and Phil are down at their other stands. Hopefully they have some luck. Hopefully Phil puts some down on the ground, and hopefully Chubby gets them monsters that we got on trail cam. But yeah, I'm happy with him. I mean, yeah, absolutely.
minutes of footage of her. Every time I could get on her, he couldn't get on her. Every time he was on her, I couldn't shoot her. Well, we finally got her.
Perfect.
She's a decent doll, so pretty happy with it.
It is right now
9:10, something like that.
9:07. You can't see it, but 9:07. So we're gonna go get her and be back at you tonight.